this is how you're going to set up an Ecwid store. So Ecwid is a great tool if you want to add a shopping cart to an existing website quickly. So first thing, you're going to have to create an account at ecwid.com. So as you can see, I already have created my account and it's now time to set up my store. So we're going to follow the setup wizard to add the first product, set up the currency, and then choose the location. So for the first one, so this one is the step 1 out of 4. We're just going to choose a store name first. We're going to enter our country as well as the currency and then hit on next once that's completed. Now we're going to add a company address to get paid and set up delivery. So you're just going to add a city right here. So for example, I'm going to add in my city, and then you're going to add a state. Now once we have that filled out, we're just going to hit on next right here, and then you're going to tell them a little bit more about your business as well as yourself. So if you already have an experience in selling, you can just choose among all of these options right here. You're just going to have to choose what or which among all of these suits you best. I'm going to choose health and beauty for the products that I'm going to be selling, and then you are also going to choose if you are setting this up for a client or if you're setting this up for your personal business. So for this one, I'm going to answer no and then just click on next. Now on to the last step. We're just going to choose where we will be running our store. So if you already have a website, you can just choose yes, but if you don't, you can just choose no. Now you're going to have to create a domain for your website. So for example, I'm going to add strawberry soju and then just hit on next right here. Now the next step is to actually purchase a plan or a whether you want to pay this annually or monthly. So you can choose either starter, venture, business, and unlimited. So all of these prices right here are listed. So these are for yearly plans, and then the features that comes with each subscription, and that's it. All you have to do now is to just click on get started on any of these plans that suits you best, and you have now set up an Ecwid store. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.